Okay, good morning. This morning I would like to show you how to connect the micro irrigation system for the guava and production under the high tunnel. And it's a very crucial that you need to do it properly, and so you can get the because our goal is to make sure that we have the uniformity, especially for the irrigation. Okay, so we use tubing with the 0.45 gallon per hour emitters, for this and guava. And we want to make sure that every single emitters put out the same amount of water. And it may not be exactly, but as close as possible. That's what we need to do. So, but in order to understand that, I would like to show you how you do it. Okay, now let me show you this. Okay, this guava production at the high tunnel. We have 3 rows of guavas in here. Okay, and like I said, this guava high tunnel we plant in a little bit high density, which is what we call it's a high density planting. And what we try to do is to plant a little closer to each other, and by doing that, so they don't, they when they compete for the space, then they tend to reduce the canopy, and so will reduce the cost, right? Because you don't have to prune the canopy quite a bit, So that's what will reduce the cost of that, and then the canopy tend to grow less vigorous, and that's what's the goal. And hopefully that by doing that, it may produce more fruit. So this is the irrigation main line. So because of the top here, we still need to go. We're still gonna connect it, and this one's to go to the overhead sprinkler. All right, so you should go up there. All right, and then you can go up there, and then you go to, you see the overhead sprinkler, you see the sprinkler hang down, so all the way to the other end of the high tunnel. And the same thing on the other side. So we have 2 line of micro sprinkler on the top, which is the drop down micro sprinkler. And those, what the purpose of by we still want to keep that option. Okay, we see the line here and go up to the roof of the high tunnel, and then straight out, and then you spread in the middle, and then you see another sub lines, which is connected to the sprinkler. And we want to keep that option because, especially guava, tropical plants, they they like high humidity, and so during the summer time, then we'll be able to turn on the overhead sprinkler, and that will keep, at least will change a little bit of the temperature inside here, and create a little humid inside here to suitable for the guava. So this is what the purpose of keeping the overhead sprinkler options. Okay, but our main irrigation system, it's the drip lines on the beds. Okay, how now I'm gonna show you how the horizon is connected and what's it look like. Okay, so you're gonna need a T, 1-inch T, because our line is a 1-inch line. So this is 1-inch T, female. It's a 3-way female. Okay, and then now, this is gonna go to the high riser. So you're gonna need this is an inch male, adapter. Is to go in here, slip into the female T, and then now we're gonna have another reducer, which is this is gonna go. This is male here, and then thread over here. So you're gonna go to that adapter, and then now we have thread here gonna go to the host thread. Okay, and then now we have this, and then you're gonna go in here. All right, and then now we're gonna connect it to this T. Okay, now we're gonna connect to this T. Okay, this T, and this T can connect to this elbow, and then elbow right here. So this is gonna go to the line, and then that's another line. So we have double line per bed. Okay, so this is one, and then the other one's right there. So actually you're gonna need
an elbow here, then elbow there, and then a T right here, and then this is connected to the PVC, which is you need thread, one bulb, and then you need the two adapters because if we don't have the single one, so we have to buy a little more extra pieces. But it's fine. But if you can find the single one, you can do a single one, then from 1 inch to ½ inch. Okay, and then it go to the T. Three-way female, and this one is gonna go to another line. This is gonna go to another line. All right, so this is how you connect the horizon. That's how the horizon look like. Okay, so let's go look at the next step.
So after you finish the connected, it's gonna look like this. Okay, you see right there. That's a T, female one 3-way. So it go to the horizon, and now it's ready to connect to the another T, which is I'm gonna take to the GUAVA's bed. All right. Okay. Good. Okay. Now how you connect? Okay. For the PVC, you have to use glue. Okay. So now you're gonna put the glues in here. Put glue in here, but don't put too much. Just barely enough to and then you put glue also on the female connector here. But make sure you use glove. And then when you've done that, all you need to do is just push this thing. Okay, so it's good. It's good enough. All right. So now we're gonna do the next one, which is another male to the female adapter here. Okay, this side gonna go to the horse thread. Okay, and same thing. What you're gonna do? You're gonna need to put the glues here, just barely enough to seal. Okay. Okay, that's all you need to do. And then now, what you're gonna do? You're gonna slip this thing in there. Make sure you put all the way. That's it. You connect it. Actually, you can use two pieces, but because I could find a single piece for the reduction, so I have to use 3 because. But it's okay. The cost is not that bad too, so it's fine. All right. Okay. Now, so what you get this piece, because this gonna go to the main line, and this is the horizon. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do, all right, the next connection. Okay, now I'm gonna connect the main line with the horizon. Okay, so this is the horizon. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna put this one in. I'm gonna put this one in here first. All right. So now it doesn't matter which side you're gonna turn. It doesn't matter. So you put it good here, just barely enough. And you feel that it's okay. So you put that. Okay. So this side gonna go to the elbow. So now I'm gonna make sure that I have that. So I'm gonna put more oil, more glue here. Plus the one that they come out and seal like this. Okay, so now. Okay. Now I can slip this one in. I want to turn this way a little bit, so it would. Okay, now I'm gonna connect the main line. The main line here, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this one before I do the horizon. Complete the rest of the horizon. So I'm gonna put a little bit more glue here on the main line, and then go in there. And then I put this one in.
done. But you see the elbow here, because you know, you have a little gap here. I had to put something maybe you know, cement blocks, or it could be wood or rocks, you know, but it doesn't have, it had to be flat and smooth, I mean. So in case of pressure, so it won't pull the, you know, it won't damage the elbow. It will slip out. Okay, so I got a little piece of rock here. That's good. I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, just in case. And then I'm gonna put, this is a small pipe. I'm not gonna worry much about that. So I'm gonna put, see right here at the ground. We can cover here. Because I already have the riser set up here. That's the riser. Okay, so now, I don't, after this, you don't use glue anymore. So I gotta take off my glove. I'm gonna put it right here. So now I'm gonna connect the riser here. Okay. So what I gotta do, see, they have this 4 pieces. All right. No, 3 pieces. I'm sorry. Okay, so now we're gonna use these 3 pieces, but this is all connected by the drip lines only. So I'm gonna need my sharp knife. This is my sharp knife. So I'm gonna need a line, which is just a, okay. See right here, this is a good one right here. I'm gonna cut it. First I'm gonna need this line. Okay, so I want how far I want to come out. Probably about that here, right here, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the elbow first I'm gonna put this one here. There's a T, this T go in here. So you can slip real good. Push it through it hard, all the way. Okay, so that you just tied it up and seal. Good, so it's seal, right? Okay, and now you have this. So now you're gonna put this one, this elbow here. Now you need a little piece. It's gonna go in here. So I'm gonna need another piece right here, and another here. Okay. So these 2 pieces. This is gonna go in here. I'm gonna show you. Push hard. Go all the way to the bottom if you can. If not, maybe halfway is fine. That's enough. Okay, so now it's tied up. Okay, so the elbow get in here. The elbow go in here, then the other side go to the line. The drip tape. Okay. All right, then I'm gonna tighten it up. And here's very important. You know, you're gonna adjust to make sure that it's go to the above the ground, right? So that's you just make your judgment. Okay. So it's good, right? So now I need another piece gonna go all the way so to the other line. So let's see if this is good. No, this may be, yeah, this may be good enough. So I'm gonna use this. Okay. So I want to see if I can get this one on control here. Probably not. So I'm not gonna play with this. I'm gonna cut here. Okay. Okay. So this one. I'm gonna put it here. This is the extension that I used to go to the other line, because we use double line for the push all the way, and they tied it up. Okay, right? And then now you're gonna use this one. Gonna put right here. Okay, and then tighten it up. Make sure that you estimate this. But you can adjust later. It's not a problem here. Okay. Oh, I went to the wrong way. I'm sorry. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Okay. Now, so I get that. You see that's how it look like. And now you're gonna connect this here. Push this one down as much as you can. And then adjust. Okay. Then tighten it up. This can be adjusted, can be tightened up later. Okay. Okay, you got it? All right, so now I'm gonna connect. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna connect this line to here. And tighten it up. Got it, and got this line. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the other line. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, so over here you have this line. So you can, okay, it's about here. Maybe, yeah, so I'm gonna put this one, push it, and then tighten it up. So I'm done. Okay, now you complete it. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna need on this side, I'm gonna put the horizon right in the center of the line of the bed. So it's gonna be right here, my estimate. So you don't have to be accurate, but just estimate that it's just about the middle of the line, all right? So you're gonna cut here, cut the main line, where you're gonna connect the horizon to. So the horizon can be connected here, right? Okay. So now I do it. I will clean this with a sharp knife. Okay, make sure you clean this a little bit. Okay, and the same thing here. This okay, that's good. Okay, on this one at the end, I already put a cap here. So the cap, so I already have the cap. So later on, if I want, I can come back and then cut it up here and put the, a flash out, cap right here. And now I don't think that we need it, so I'm just gonna put it a cap. All right. So now the horizon gonna go in here. So I'm gonna put this side first. So I need my glue. Okay, so this is the glue. So okay, Like I said, you can put a little bit more here on the male, the pipe, because it's gonna slip into the female T here. So just put a little bit here. Okay. And then now that's the horizon. Okay. So I'm gonna estimate about that little angle, about 45-degree angle. Okay. If you want to go straight up, it's fine too. You know, but I like that way a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna put the other in. Okay, so now gonna put the. You can put more glue here, it's fine. You know, but over here inside the female here, you have to put not too much. Okay, and then it go in here. Got it. I got my shovel here. The little here, it's the ground's a little high here, so I gotta. Yeah. Okay, good. So I want to. Okay. Okay. All right. Now, connect all this. All this you do by hand. You don't need glue anymore, so you can put the glue away. Okay. I'll put the glue away. Now you're gonna connect all this to the horizon. Okay. So now I'm gonna need to stay a little closer to horizon. So I have to straight to okay, so now I have my knife, my sharp knife, and this is the. So let's see. Okay, so I figured out that I probably don't need that much. You know, this is another line. Okay. Okay, so I cut this piece, extension. That's gonna go from here. And then tight it up. Okay, good. So now you're gonna put your T right here. Okay. Okay, good. Tight it. So now you're gonna put your elbow. So the elbow is gonna need the lower extension, about that long. So I'm gonna need this. Okay. Put this shit right here. Tight it up. Good. Okay, now the extension going here, right? So the elbow. Okay, and then this, tight it up. Okay, and now I'm gonna estimate that that's good. So I'm gonna cut right here. And this is gonna go in here. That's good enough. Tight it up. Good. So got the first line in fine. Now I'm gonna, this one I'm probably gonna want to go out a little bit longer. Because the extension I make it a little bit longer. Okay. Also, let's put the T at the elbow in first. Which way can I check it? I feel convenient to do it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now you're gonna put this one in here. Okay, tighten it up, and then connect the line, the drip line. I mean, that's it. Tighten it up. Done. Okay. So now you get it connected. It's good. So now you're gonna make sure that you put the you cover all the pipeline